Welcome to the graduation ceremony of Poland Cook Mrs. Ma Kan Ning Chan Phuc Sing College 2024 to 2025.
Principal and teachers. Without you, we wouldn't have been able to dive into the sea of knowledge. Without you, we wouldn't have known how to improve ourselves. Without you, we wouldn't have developed as fully as we have. Today marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. It is time for us to enter the great unknown, a future full of opportunities and challenges.
光陰似箭，今日終於都到我哋成為畢業典禮嘅主角。喺章中，我哋學到最重要嘅課題，唔係點樣用筆去填滿試卷，而係要成為一個不斷進步嘅人。A nicer CFS， 所以我都要喺度祝大家未來一帆風順，畢業快樂！多謝各位。
我覺得更加關鍵同埋更加重要嘅呢，係我哋好好咁樣去探尋我哋嘅內心，去問究竟我哋想知道啲乜嘢呢？我對於呢個世界嘅好奇喺邊度呢？我點樣可以成為一個更加好嘅人呢？我希望大家都會記得工具係愛嚟用嘅，而關鍵係我哋本身自己。
發誓過能營救苦約，不說大話，無論再隔幾遠也到訪吧，都算團聚對嗎？約定某一天到某海邊，一起掃細沙，等到嗎
To our graduates, congratulations once more on your graduation.